Okay, so welcome to week 7 of CSONS at Home. Today we are going fairly Asian and starting with beef laab from the Ludlow Food Centre. First of all, we've got our beef laab. That's kind of like a warm Thai minced beef with lots of sweet chilli and stuff going on in there. And then we've got some little gems, so we're just kind of making a bit of a kind of street foodie salad with it all. Some spring onions and coriander, some sweet chilli sauce, some homemade sweet chilli sauce, and some soy nuts and seeds. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is get our laab slightly warmed through. Just going to pop that in there to just a low heat. That's nice and hot now. Just turn it right down and start presenting. Just start splaying out some of our leaves. Sort of mix up some big ones and some small ones. So the idea is that you can almost pick these up one by one. Make sure we get some of the spring onions and coriander all over. Go with our sweet chilli. And finally, our soy nuts and seeds. Okay guys, on for the main course. Have a little look at what's in the box. So, number 1, we've got our 5-spice sort of Asian gravy. Number 2, we've got our pork leg from Strawberry Fields. Number 3, we've got our noodles. Number 4, our cabbage and aubergine. Number 5, all of our pickles. And then some noodle dressing and some sesame seeds. First thing we're going to do is get our pan and put our gravy in. So the gravy's in, get it on a low heat. Okay. Then we're going to pop our meat in and get that reheating. We're just slowly going to bring it all up to the boil, and by which point the meat should be good and hot, and then we'll have our gravy sauce and some nice hot meat. Okay, so meat's in the gravy. So whilst that's heating up, we're going to make our noodle salad. So we'll take our noodles. They feel like they're all stuck together at the moment, but when we put the dressing through them, they should then loosen up a bit. Okay, we've got some sort of roasted aubergine and shredded cabbage. Just going to go through there too. And we've got a selection of pickles and spring onions and coriander. They're basically going to go, and some carrot in there as well, which is all going to go through. Put all the carrot through and just save a few of the pickles for the end. Pork's just starting to come up to a simmer. Dress my noodle salad. And I like to use my hands for this bit, but you could use a pair of tongs if you didn't want to. And then it should just come apart and sort of dress itself in the salad leaves, in the dressing. Nice bright colours, looking vibrant. Our pork's starting to come up to the boil. Be nice and simmering. We're going to take our noodles, about half of them, with about half of all the goodies, and just pop them down slightly off centre. And we'll try and split it so it's nice and even, and we'll get a few more noodles on that one. Take all those goodies, pile them on top. Get our pork out. Okay, so we're where we were before, but now we're in a bowl. Gravies are bubbling. I'm going to pour her on. Plenty of gravy. So, last but not least, those pickles and spring onions and herbs we left. We're just going to pop on. And as I said, last but not least, what I really meant to say was least but not last, because last but not least is our sesame seeds. We've got something a little bit Asian for pudding. So we've got like a chai custard, a chocolate and ginger sort of cake, squashed cake or torte, and some sort of sesame praline. So the first thing we'll do is just warm our cake up a little bit. You could have it straight cold, but it's always nice to refresh it a bit. In the meantime, I'm going to warm our custard. Now don't warm it too quickly because it will just split and won't be very nice. So our cake's nice and warm, our custard's bubbled, so we're ready to plate. Really easy. In it goes. Custard all over. And the sesame brittle on top.